Today guys, we're gonna play Escape Tsunami for Brain Rot. Cause we're gonna speed run in this game. Yeah, that's true. So today, I'm gonna show you how I speed run. So we need to complete this task. First, we need to get a 1 divine. Reach 1 septillion. I reached. We need to reach a 1 trillion money. So right guys, we don't need a trading. So if my account, if I cheating, I can only see this in my index. So alright, let's go. Okay, this one. Go. Okay. Let's load. Take this. Oh my goodness. Yes. Let's press the frame. Select the one. Oh my goodness. This is a hard task, guys. Oh my. So let's pick up a lucky block. Here, let's go fast. Nah, don't pick that. Let's go to the legendary illness. I don't know where we can go. So we have a 509. Oh my goodness. Oh, go. Go. Fast. Okay, we are epic now. Let's take this one. Let's take this. Oh my goodness. There's so many ways. Let's take this one home. Jump. Let's do the way. So we need to get I need this. Oh my goodness, I'm died. Oh my goodness. Bruh. Right, disappear. Okay, give it back. Oh my goodness, you get that. Okay, you're a lot faster now. Don't worry. Go. Oh my god. How did you get it? Damn, that guy is cheater. Okay, let's take another legendary. Go. Rare. There's another one. Go. Fast. Oh my goodness. Fast. Let's take this. Go, 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 go. Oh my. I died. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Go faster. I don't need luck. Bro, didn't die. How? Oh my goodness. This one. Oh my. Oh, this. Fast. Oh my goodness, this will be a 1 hour. Damn. Oh my goodness. Jump. Coming road. Oh my goodness. Let's go! We get it. Nice one. Let's go. We get it. We get so many money now. Okay, let's go to epic area. Go. Okay. This challenge is so hard. Let's minimize the voice. So this is this. Go. This is hard. Okay, this one. Oh no. Go fast. Oh my goodness. Go. Fast. After this, let's pick a lucky block. Let's pick it because this is annoying. Damn. Okay, so let's upgrade this. Go. Oh my goodness. Go fast. Okay. Oh my goodness. We had a 3 million now. Carry out games. Yo. Let's go to the cosmic. cosmic one. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my goodness. No. Let's back. Okay. Oh my goodness. That's not our priority. So, another task, guys. I would not use a tokens because that is cheating for me. Damn! Whoa. Wait. Oh, I know there's a secret right there. There's a secret. Let's pick this. Let's pick this one. Let's pick this one. Oh my goodness. Go. Fast. Oh my goodness. We get it. This Gorilla Watermelon Drill 1. This is. Okay. Let's put this. Let's go. Not now. Okay. Let's collect this one. Okay. Whoa. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Let's go to mythic area. Let's go. Okay, wait. Go. We are faster now. Let's go. We are in mythic area now. Whoa! Admin Infinity Lucky Block Store. Stock, not store. This one. Let's go. We are in Cosmic. We are in Cosmic now. We are in Cosmic. We are now in Cosmic. Please spawn some things. We are in Cosmic. I think Cosmic is so. Oh my goodness, 33k. Not good. Oh, this one. Pot spot. Let's go home. Go. Fast. This one too. This annoying. Oh my goodness. Go. Yes, let's go. We got it. A photo spot. Cosmic with worth 953k per second. Let's go. Okay, let's open this skip. Please something good, please. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is good. Okay. Oh, so we can sell this one. So let's sell this because this is a trash anymore. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's go. Whoa, we are faster now. So let's upload this. Oh my goodness, we have so many upgrading now. Spot. Okay, let's upgrade it. Oh my goodness, enough money. Another enough. Okay, go. Let's go. Oh my goodness, let's see it. And now faster than slow. Whoa. We're now getting faster and faster. Damn. Okay, fast. Okay, let's go to Cosmic. And then before that, let's go to... There are 2 Cosmic and 4 secrets. What a nice game. This is 5k. That's a trash. This Tralalilo is worth 2. But not at all. Because we need... Whoa! Too many waves. Go. Fast. We're much faster now. Okay. Ay, no. Wait. Whoa. This is not good. Oh my goodness. I don't want this one. Let's go to the other side. Let's see if there are good stuff. Whoa, let's start Lilitos with Diamond Mutation. Oh my goodness, not worth. This super slow. Okay, nice. Nice. Oh my god. Let's go. We're here now. Wait, jump, bruh. Oh my goodness, why I get jump? Oh no. Let's stay here. They just... Oh my goodness, why I can always jump. Yo, we are 1 billion now. So we can carry. Okay, let's upgrade this. Let's increase our speed. Go. We're faster now. We are faster. We are way faster. Oh my goodness, yeah. This game is so big now. Unlike before. But I like before cause just small. But this one is playable now. Oh my goodness. We're almost in secret. Go. Fast. Okay. Let's go. We get it. We get there. Finally in Cosmic. Another Cosmic. Oh my goodness. Chicletira basic. Go, William Vines around the world. Oh my. Go. Let's upgrade. Faster than before. Let's go. Whoa. We are now faster now, but... Oh my god. Go, 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 go. Yeah. We can easily into mythical. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, okay, okay. Let's go. This is good. Let me slow the brightness. Ah. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Put hotspot. Put hotspot. I mean, put hotspot. No, 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 not good. Not, that's not good. Let's go in another cosmic. Let's go. We are now in cosmic. We're now in cosmic. The next one is secret, right? I know. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my. So many waves. Go 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 go. Oh my goodness, let's be back. Let's back. Let's back. Let's back. Let's back. Let's back. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. I almost. I almost. Please. Oh. This is not good. This is not good. Okay, slow. Jump! Oh my goodness, why it get... Why it stuck? Oh my goodness. Why it get stuck on that? So, we can upgrade this one. There will be a lot of more faster. Go, 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 go. Mythical, easy, mythical. Easy, mythical, easy. But in this cosmic are so hard. Cause I don't know. Oh my goodness, so why they added this game? Damn. Go 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 go. Wait. Guys, in next video should I speak Tagalog or in English? Comment down what the next I spoke. Oh my god. La grande combination. La grande combination. This is nice. This is nice. This is nice. Not nice. I don't want that. Need to go in another cosmic. Oh, I almost. Go pick this one. Oh my. Man, I just wasting my time, bruh. I'm just wasting my time. Oh my goodness, it's this medium. I don't want to go with the medium. Damn. Nah. Oh my goodness, this is not good. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Go fast. Let's pick this one. I'm gonna pick this one first. Bro, oh my. I can learn how to pick the brain rots, bruh. Okay. Oh my. How many years I could get in that secret? Damn. Oh my goodness, let's go home. Let's go home first. Let's go home. I need upgrade. I need to upgrade. Damn, this bastard cosmic is so low. This one. Okay, let's stop there. Let's stop here. Let's stop here. Oh my goodness, we get 3 secrets now. Let's follow in lightning. Let's see. Let's just. Oh my goodness, no. Oh my goodness, let's go. We get it. Let's go, we get it. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. We are now rich. Oh my god. They make more money than this one. I need to revert. Okay. I need to revert. We're no revert. Let's go. We are now in revert. Okay. So our money is gender equality. How much now? 60. Okay, let's fast. Okay, River 5. Let's go. Oh my goodness, let's pick them. Oh my goodness, let's go, baby. Let's go. We're now upgrading. Let's upgrade this. Go. Oh my goodness. You're now faster. You're now faster than before. We're now faster. Let's go. This is the hardest challenge ever I made. Oh my goodness, this is good. This is nice. Oh my goodness, lag. Okay, game. Let's go back. Oh my goodness, this is a speedrun challenge. I don't want to trade with anyone. I don't want to trade. Whoa! Bug. Oh. I'm so curious. Whoa! Oh, where's my Whoa. Nah. Let me reset.
No, Mommy says so my daddy.
It's not nice.
It's right here.
She's not mine. You're her father.
Give me game. Okay. Oh my goodness, it generates, it generates. This is better than my photo spot.
Chasing your sorry ass for 4 damn years. The other kids say I don't have it, Daddy. You're not gonna leave me all.
Let's sell them now, let's sell them.
CNA text. Nice.
Nah, I don't want to trade. I don't want to trade. I don't want to trade. This is a challenge. This is a challenge.
Is that really your kid?
99.9.
Oh my goodness. I use my Ola.
Find you?
Yeah.
Do you think I can Google mysterious deadbeat baby daddy and get the GPS ping?
I don't want to go in this
He's
portal.
been down for years. You're never in the same place for more than a day.
God damn it. All this time I was hiding because I thought terrorists were tailing me. Turns out it's her. Okay, well, to be honest, I didn't think that one time too.
One time.
Let's go. We are now in upgrade.
Remember, Franklin?
Okay, okay.
It was 3 times.
Oh my goodness, let's upgrade our jump. You know, I jump faster than before. Go fast. Oh my goodness, we are now richer than before. Let's go.
Look how beautiful you are. I would love to be your dad. I'm not exactly the type to be a father.
We jump in. We jump in. We jump in. We jump in. Okay, 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 okay. At least we can get a one.
I have a real daddy now. I have a real daddy.
I got the most.
Oh my god. We get it. Let's go.
As your father, I can focus on cleaning up the mess at my company.
No, this is bigger.
I have some urgent business I need to take care of.
Let's go. I'm excited into secret. Whoa, why friend Brenner? Oh my goodness.
I will take care of that.
Why Brenner friends are not spawned? Let's Joyful! Joyful! Let's go! Let's go! Let's collect this one. Let's collect. Satotino Libertino. Satotino Libertino. Satotino Libertino. Satotino Libertino. Oh my goodness. My hands are shaking. My hands are shaking. I'm excited. I'm excited. Oh my goodness. There's another one. Let's collect this. Let's collect this. Even this is annoying in my... I could even get this. Let's go! Billion times around the world! Oh my goodness, this one. Million times around the world! Oh my goodness! Okay, let's stop here. Let's stop right here. Let's stop. Will you... Let's go! Million times around the world! Whoa! Oh my god! Let's go! We get a secret. Get a secret now. Okay, please something good, please. Oh my goodness. Please, 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 please. What? The... no. Again? Oh my goodness. Okay, let's upgrade this one. Let's upgrade this. Let's upgrade this.
Scarlet, how dare you?
What?
Scarlet, this company is hemorrhaging money. You have the audacity to show your face.
Last I checked, you're chairman of the board. This mess is yours, not mine. Oh,
Let's
please.
go.
If you're
Let's
not
say
married,
there
this
is
woman's
all
like, "Why
trash.
work to that bastard? We have enough money to save the company." Shut your fucking mouth, Danielle.
Let's go. We are now richer. We are now getting richer and richer.
Mom, Dad, are you hearing this? I say one thing and she bites
We're
my
getting
mouth.
evolved. We're getting evolved.
How dare you talk to your sister like that? You're the one who got pregnant like a common whore without even knowing the father. You are
Oh my goodness. Let's go. Okay, okay, okay. First, let's upgrade our job.
How can you say that? She's your granddaughter.
Not to me. She's a fatherless accident. Who belongs in an
Let's
orphanage.
go.
I do have a daddy. I do.
Let's go.
Should never been born.
Oh my god.
Insult me all you want.
Whoa!
But I swear
We
this thing will
we
blow
almost
your
died.
Daniel, I will rip your fucking tongue out myself.
Let's go. We're now faster than him. We're faster. We're faster.
Don't apologize to her.
he get he executed himself. He executed himself. Let's go.
Steven, you can't let her talk to us like that.
Only 35 minutes. We get a
And stand up for your wife and
we
your
get
daughter.
a all secrets. Let's go.
Don't apologize.
Let's go. This is a long journey. This is a long journey. Woo! This is the coolest. This is my first free to play ever without trading. Cheating. Oh my goodness. Let's go. Go, 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 go. Fast, 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 fast. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, there's so many secrets like that. I'll get them. Oh my goodness. Oh, this return. This is faster.
The DNA results are in. Summer is your bone.
Let's go. 70 million per second. 70 million per second. Okay, this is slow. Oh my. Take another one, another one, another one, another one, another one, another one. Gatatino na nino. Gatatino na nino. Oh my goodness. Let's go. We are now faster. We are now in epic. Oh my. Let's go. Let's go. We get it. We get them. We get them.
Baby girl, I love you forever. Lunch after
Bragulalala.
she swam in the deep end all by herself. My girl's growing up so fast. Forever proud of you. Several firsts today. First pumpkin picking.
Okay, let's upgrade this one. Let's upgrade this one. Let's upgrade this one.
Any of her firsts, but I'll be there for as many as I can.
Oh my goodness. Okay, this one, this one, this one, this one.
Stray. Took her to get her favorite ice cream to cheer her up. To the man.
Let's go.
I will never forgive you.
You raise her all on your own.
Oh, let's go. First task is completed. We reach a 1 trillion. We reach a 1 trillion. We reach 1 trillion. So the next one is the. We need to get the secret brain rot. Ay, no. I mean, celestial. We need to get a celestial. We need to get a celestial. We need to get a celestial. We need to get the celestial. We need to get a celestial. Celestial.
Dili ka pang brain mo gipalit.
Let's go. Let's go. Oh my goodness, we're faster down.
Nga po yung mga English, ano,
Let's go. We're now faster than before. Go. Go in the rear. It's easy now in. Go. Oh my god, this is not good. This is not good. Let's go. We are now in.
kaihion.
Let's go. Okay. This is. Oh no. I know this is vertical. The secret is right on. That. Oh my goodness. This is not good. This is not good. I think we need to I complete this in 2 hours. I need to complete this. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's go. We reach it. We reach it. Reach into it. We reach it. Let's go. Go 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 go. Oh, approve, approval, approve. Not yet. We don't need this. Oh my goodness, too many. Okay. I'm so curious. I'm so furious. I'm so furious. Oh my goodness, we are in the final. We are in the final. We are in the final now. Let's go. Only. Oh no 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 no. Please don't. Okay, let's wait here. Let's wait here. Oh. Let's wait here. Bren. Z in 2 minutes. Okay, let's collect this. No! Whoa. I noticed it. Okay, let's wait here. Please spawn right there. Spawn right there, or everywhere. But not in that. But not there. Cause that is hard. Whoa, frenzy activating. Bruh, it already activated. Oh my god. Okay, let's go like this. This one. Wait, Fragulalala, or sa Fragulalala? Fragulalala. Oh my goodness. Let's go like this one. No, there's another one right here. Stay close, tong. Citos, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, slow. Too many brain rots. Oh my. Oh my, go. Let's go, enter. Let's go. Put Fragulalala. Put this one. Put Mateo. And this one. Okay. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's upgrade this one. Let's upgrade this one. Whoa. Oh my goodness. This is not good. Okay. No. I don't wanna trade. But the first challenge has completed. So guys, even I didn't get a celestial, divine, or anything, but the first challenge I completed. is to reach 1 trillion without without cheating, trading, and anything. So yeah, this is a long video that I made. So see you guys. Bye.